Hello boys and girls, it is color carpet time. This is the time of day when we gather around the big carpet here in our class. We sit down, we listen, we practice letters and sounds and words and all kinds of wonderful, wonderful stuff. So we're going to do that once again today. We're going to start off though, I'm going to have you identifying a sound. What does that mean? Well, I'm going to tell you a word. I want you to break that word up into the different sounds that it's made up of, and I want you to tell me the first sound that you hear in that word. Okay? It's like mom. Mom. What is the first sound you hear in mom? Right? And the last time we talked about coming up with words of our own, right? That have the start with these letters. So I have a couple pictures to help us out. This is a monkey. This also starts with just like mom, monkey, and mitten, mitten. They both start with How about sun? What is the first sound you hear in sun? S, right? S, good. A couple other examples of words that begin with s are seven. Seven. And sink. 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 Very nice. Now, his. What is the first sound you hear in his? Good. Like in hammer. Good. Or hose. Hose. Very nice. Okay. Toss. What's the first sound you hear in the word toss? T, right? Good. A couple more examples. Turtle. T, turtle. And teapot. T, teapot. Okay. Very nice. Now, it'd be great if you came up with other words that began with those same sounds. You can look for them in your reading. Might even find them in your writing. Okay. Another thing we're going to be working on all the time is called sight words. And sight words are important to our reading because these are words that we want to be able to just recognize. Once you see it, you know exactly what that word is. You don't have to sound it out. Doesn't take you very long to do it. This really, really helps improve your reading. So we're going to practice these a lot so that you get them down, okay? And remember, we have a challenge at the end of the week, all right? Mrs. Duck will be back. We've got to do these a little bit faster than her, so let's practice. And you can always go back and rewatch this to get even more practice. So tell me what word you see here. What word do you see? You. Can you tell me what that word is? Can you tell me what that word is? That. What word is it? What word is it? It's it. Okay. What is this one? Do you remember what it was? It was. Good. All right. How about this one? What could you use this for? What is this one? This is for. Okay, good. So we want to improve every day, right? We're going to practice that and improve and get better with that each and every day. Okay. Couple things that we're going to do now. Number one, I want to make sure to remind you, every day you should be reading for at least 15 minutes, right? So you could read books that you have at your house, but you can also go on Epic. You can always go on Epic. And when I go on Epic, I can see who's been reading what and how many books and how long you've been reading. So I can keep track of that way. But as long as you are reading at home for 15 minutes every night, that's good enough for me. Okay, so if you go over to your book in your school in a box, and you're going to find our orange, this is our ELA book. And we're going to start with that today. I'm going to have you do a couple pages to get started. Now, the letter sounds that we were talking about, we had an M and an S. So we're going to do an M page and an S page. So you're going to open this up just at the very beginning. And the page, PM 1.1. It's right at the beginning. Once you get past all of the table of contents, you're going to come to this page. And as you see, it has our M up here. And there's a lot of different boxes, and they are missing a letter at the beginning. So this, for example, is a mask. So we need to write the M right here. And then when you're done with that, you get to color this mask. This is a man. Begins with M. So you're going to write your M, making sure to stay in the line, and then you're going to color the man. Same goes for all of your pictures, right? Then you're going to turn just one page to the S, and you're going to do the same with the S page. Everything that begins with an S, I want you to color in, okay? So just those 2 pages out of this book. Just those 2 pages out of this book. And that will do it for today. So as we're going forward, we'll probably do a little bit more than that, but I don't want to overwork you just yet, okay? We're just going to do a little bit out of there. But you can always come up with your own words and write them on a paper and then show me at our Zoom, right? So you can always practice, okay? So you're going to be doing our M and our S pages for your homework, and you can upload that on Dojo. You have to get some help from mom or dad to do that. Boys and girls, thank you for joining me for our color carpet time. Hope you had fun, hope you enjoyed, and learned a lot. We went over a lot today, right? Letter M and S, and S. Tried to figure out different things that begin with those. We have those sight words to learn, right? We can't let Mrs. Duck win the challenge, right? We're gonna show her how much we've been practicing. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, I want you to remember, read for 15 minutes, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.